Y'all, guys, today we're gonna be teaming up on every monster with shotguns. Let's do this, boys. Let's go get. What do you think our let's do the turkeys first. They're the easiest. Let's do the turkeys first.
Wait, you didn't give me shotguns. You didn't give me a shotgun.
Oh, I didn't give you a shotgun? Hold up. Yeah, let me give you something.
No, you didn't give me some shotguns. Thank you, my good.
Oh man, I'm at max.
Here, you can take. No, does anybody else here own shotguns?
Oh, yo, I got it, bro. Yo, I got it.
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
I have 5 shotguns.
It's been a lot.
Hold on, I'll be back.
How many shots are in it?
Only 1.
Yo, our first map is gonna be sewers. Jump down.
Let's go. We're dropping, boys.
Turkeys, kill them.
That was easy.
Sith. Oh my god. How is it still standing?
How's what's the
Can somebody revive me? Wait for me. I'm not.
Red light, green light, kill. Flashbang. Oh. How is it? No, ignore the Sith. I think it's glitched. I think the Sith is glitched.
I got ammo. I need ammo.
Yo, let's go.
Something's here. I need ammo.
I hear it. Hold on. Let me kill whatever's here.
Are you coming? Let's go. This way.
Hold on.
I think the Siths are glitched. They won't die, so we're gonna go through here.
Guys,
revive me. Hey, Will, can you revive me?
Thanks, bro.
I need ammo. I need some ammo.
I need some ammo. How many shotguns do you have?
I don't have any more ammo in my backpack, I don't think.
2.
Yeah, I don't have any more.
Let's try this.
Whoa!
I don't like this place.
Everyone, let's go. Get your shotguns out. Flashbang. Flashbang, I can't see. Flashbang. Yo, get him. Is red light, green light in here?
Is that a Stanley Cup? I'm scared.
Be careful. Red light, green light's right there. Get him. Got him, boys. Got him. Get him. Be careful. What did we get? Shotgun ammo. Let's go. Go.
Yo! Let's go.
Everyone, move through. Armstrong.
Got him. I'm scared. I'm out of ammo. Guys? We have to get
Yo, where y'all at?
ammo.
Come on, we're going. Let's go.
I need ammo.
Down here.
Guys, we should have bought a flashlight. Wait, there's more problem.
Huh.
What about the ghost? I'm already
I died.
No!
I missed. Where are you going? Don't worry, I missed.
Yo, where y'all at?
We died.
All of y'all? Yo, let me respawn too. Oh, frick? How'd they all die? That's crazy.
I think I just saw someone die.
Everyone buy more shotguns. Everyone get some more
Two of
shotguns.
us died, or
Get some more shotguns.
I'm getting shotgun
Where are we
ammo.
going?
We're gonna kill every
I
monster.
need shotgun.
am I the only one alive?
Yes, you're the only one alive.
Yes.
Actually,
I need shotgun.
All right, y'all. Everyone. I have a thing.
I need a book. Can I have that? Can somebody buy me a book back? Can somebody buy me a book back? Great. I don't have a
Can
book
somebody
back.
buy me a backpack full of shotgun ammo?
Give me shotgun ammo. Oh, thank you. Can I need a bag full of shotgun ammo.
Everyone, our next target is gonna be mines, okay? Everyone, our next target is mines. Grab your shotguns and go. Let's go to mines.
I don't have a
have shotguns. Jeez.
I just need shotgun ammo.
Then get
I
any
need
sort of
shotgun
weapon.
ammo.
How
That's
much?
all I need.
How much?
2. I just need 2 so I can.
I got a lot too.
Dad, let's go.
Let's get it. Wait, have we killed Spider yet?
I see food
Spider. Spider. Y'all, spider. Kill it. Oh, there's a
Guys,
spider.
come back.
Box fan.
No,
Box
we
fan.
can't
We got a box fan.
Sir.
We were ready.
RPG ammo.
I see mimic. I see mimic. I see mimic. I repeat. I see mimic.
Oh,
these are
I already
shotguns
killed
out.
Mimic. I already killed Mimic, so.
Frick, he's angry.
Someone's shooting.
Someone's shooting.
I shot him.
Go.
Anyone have a
Got a
revolver?
box fan.
Yo, purple.
Yo, you got a light.
Hey.
Perfect. We can get angler with that. We can get angler with that. We can get angler with that. Perfect.
Follow me. We have to find the exit real quick. Is this it? Follow me. Follow me. That's the way back.
Everybody, you can grind.
Oh, this way.
Yes.
Through here.
I'm scared.
Guys, wait. I need
Whoa.
I like your bones.
Lava.
Come on.
All right.
get my bones.
Angler's over here.
Angler's
y'all.
somewhere in
Let's go
these.
get angler.
Angler's
Let's go
somewhere
kill angler.
in these things.
Oh, frick. Oh my god. He scared me.
Guys,
No, I'm almost
I
dead.
fell.
Did he die? Oh yeah, we killed him. How am I?
He all fall all the way down because I
How
fell
am I?
all the way down.
Huh?
Some kid fell over.
We have to go to Angler's cave.
Yo, there's shotgun
Right now, we
ammo.
have to-
Who's risking their life to get that?
I can't.
Guys, can somebody come
I can
down
risk
with me?
it. I got full
fell.
health, bro.
Come in.
And no one needed to. Cause someone had a
Guys,
race.
come here. Come down. He's done
I
leaving.
already got it.
Oh frick. Frick y'all, frick.
I didn't eat.
Y'all come to the very bottom. That's where I fell.
Okay,
Spider, spider.
Go.
wait.
Spider.
Yeah, what?
Open it. Flare him.
Come on.
I'm jumping all the way.
Where the monsters at?
Where are you guys?
Don't even care about those purple ores. Just find the monsters.
I'm here with a bag full of shotgun ammo.
Nice.
Because
Finally.
y'all don't know how to buy shotgun ammo.
I know how to buy it. I got a bag full of it right now.
Yeah, we need some light.
Hey, where are you guys? Where are you guys?
We're way faster than you. That's all I'm gonna say.
This is Spider.
Where did you go?
I can't see nothing.
I don't know.
Armstrong, but
Yo,
I killed
Armstrong,
him.
let's just kill him. Let's just kill him. Open the crate. Open the crate.
Open the crate.
Open the crate.
Shotgun ammo.
Shotgun it. Gimme.
For my shotgun! Yeah.
Wait, is there a big pinata where you?
Yo, let's go. Everyone, let's go.
This is where lava is.
We have to kill the vectors. I'm bad at lava math, guys. I don't even have a grabbing hook. Well, I have a Hulk gun, so that's not. That's
I just don't love you
I
right
have a box fan.
Alright, lava. Alright, come on. And you have like pro, come on.
Yo, person with a light, wait.
I'm coming. Where you at? Hey, wait, the skeleton.
What is flakes in there? Even. Yo, it's not a mimic, bro. You look so scared.
Okay, I'm waiting in one spot. I'm waiting. We damn fall. Bro, I'm already at the.
3, 2, 1, jump! Divers!
We're divers. Cave divers. Everyone, go in. Get in. Go.
We're cave divers. Or do you guys not know that?
My health is zero.
I'm gonna wait for them.
I have
Y'all here? Come here.
I'm up here with the box fan behind y'all.
Wait, guys,
Let's go.
wait! No.
The immediate just no, bro.
We're here.
Y'all, wait, behind y'all.
Guys, we could have went to Planetarium.
Yo, guys.
I'm just chilling.
I did actually fall.
That's how it helps.
Right now. Stand. I kill you right now.
Oh, what the frick? What are we gonna do? What the actual frick?
Hook or anything on the light.
Neither do I. All I have is just a box fan. It might help me float around, but there's nothing really that it can do.
y'all not own? Should we just go home?
No, let's kill it. We have to kill these guys.
We can't. It's impossible to kill. They're invincible.
No, they're not. Stop dreaming,
no,
kid.
watch this. I'm gonna get targeted and they're gonna leave. Watch.
Okay, maybe
Watch me do the... Guys, watch me do the doggy.
Hey, what's good, my brother?
I fell, but I'm still standing, right? Luckily, I have a whole gun.
I know I'm gonna be the first one to die.
Shoot it! Shoot it! It's right there! Frick! Run!
See, I'm still alive. I'm still... The black parts you can kill.
The black part you can kill.
Shotgun! I just got a shotgun from a crate! There's no freaking way.
The black
Let's go back.
Let's go back. That's what you kill, not the whole entire.
Guys, we're gonna come back.
The black pieces.
Okay, I died.
Like that.
Make sure not to touch the lava.
I touched the lava already a lot already.
Dominic. Front. Guys, I'm back. The back sits on here. I'm not dying.
Yo, bro! I made it back home! Everyone, grab some more ammo. We're going to Spooky Forest next. 16. This is gonna be a long ass video, bro. Let's see. How much do I have? 15.
So we're actually killing every single mob besides the sis because it's literally invincible.
Yeah. We're killing every single mob besides the Sifs. Cause
You need a grappler? I can get you.
I died.
No, I don't need a grappler. I'm good. I just
Bro,
want.
you're gonna die.
I know.
There's all kinds of triangular fish. There's red light, green light. There's the
Wait,
monster.
what?
There's yeah.
Oh, I just forgot about that. Yo, wait, I might need a grappler.
I can get you one as soon as my cold.
I don't even have any in my storage. I don't think.
I can buy you one. It's better.
Oh my god.
I only have
Bro,
800.
let me buy shotgun ammo. I'm not poor. I have 1.36 mil. Gimme.
The mill. Here's a grappler.
Oh, yes. I got it. Oh, I filled up my backpack. Hey, where do you put the grappler at?
Grenade.
Where do you put the grappler at?
It might be in your backpack.
Don't leave this.
Oh, yep, I found it.
So I have none.
Okay, y'all, let's go. Get your shotguns out and let's go.
I don't really have a shotgun.
Sorry, I had to get my grab.
Problem, not my problem.
You have to kill something.
Y'all, everyone come. I'm already at the Spooky Forest.
I'm behind you. Don't ever talk trash about me. Oh,
I'm not talking trash about
Wait,
you,
we
bro.
have to kill the giant pinata that needs.
Oh yeah, how are we gonna kill the giant pinata? Frick! My thing ran out of ammo, frick!
Sticky dynamite. Sticky dynamite. Sticky dynamite.
Who used the RPG?
I don't know. I have a shotgun.
I have.
We have to kill the pinata. I'm gonna kill a little pinata real quick.
Oh frick, yeah, I just thought about that. We will have to kill the big pinata. Frick, yo.
I'm gonna pick you up.
That'll spawn like other monsters, won't it? Like Gary and people. Oh, now I'm a bit nervous, because that spawns in like Gary.
Ogre.
Yeah.
Make sure to get
Ogre?
to me.
Ogre, where's Ogre? Where's Ogre?
It can spawn ogres, what I mean.
Oh, it can spawn Ogre?
It can spawn 2. I've had 3 ogres before.
How is it?
Shoot it with your shotguns. Actually, no.
I'm not wasting my
How is it still?
I'm going to
poked it.
cut this.
Uh-oh. Y'all, Ogre. No, my grandpa.
Okie boy mad.
I forgot I don't have hip slot.
Okie boy mad.
Wait, why am I
Die! I don't know what he thinks whenever he looks in the mirror, but gosh.
Bro, you killed me. Why do I have red watch?
I'm not used to using this big backpack. This is like my first ever experience of using it. Oh, I found a grenade. This does like tons of damage. Oh, frick! Frick! Oh, they're wording.
There's Gary.
Do we get all of them? Karen's still here. Karen
I
Mappuccino.
know I'm looking at her.
Yep, we good, boys. Grab and open them.
Ooh,
Shotgun ammo, nice.
I can burn a shotgun.
Do you need shotgun ammo? Okay, take shotgun ammo.
Oh, Ogre behind you. Oh, Black Wolf behind you, Ogre.
Behind you.
Is he?
He's invincible. One. Ah, my mouse is invincible.
Bro, he just left the game. I just got a crowbar from them. Don't tell me people are leaving. Armstrong! I got him for you. RPG ammo, be careful with that. Shut up!
It's literally just a field.
Y'all, let's go to the deep dark forest. Let's go to the deep dark forest. Let's go.
I have some shotgun ammo, so yeah. Who needs shotgun? Who needs shotgun? Shotgun?
Nope, I'm good.
I have 0 shotguns. That's why I'm helping. Anglerfish.
Where?
Well, like green one. The blue thingy.
Guys, by the way, Anglerfish is my mom, okay? Anglerfish is my mom, by the way. Anglerfish is my mom, okay? Don't judge her. Don't judge her. And Ogre is my dad. Ogre's my dad.
The ghost lady is.
The ghost lady? Oh, she's my wife.
Here.
Get out, kid.
Yeah, well, like green light.
Get out, kid. Get out. Get out. Oh, don't mind my wife. She might be over there by the haunted mansion. Oh, that's my dad. Oh frick, that's my dad. Oh.
I think your wife is over there.
Yeah, my wife. I think my wife is over there. And my dad's
do you
also
need
over there
shotgun?
camping my wife. She definitely
some
doesn't
shotguns.
appreciate my wife, by the way. No, I'm good, bro.
I have 0 shotguns.
I got an entire bag in my thing, bro. I got an entire bag.
I need a shotgun. Like so bad.
You need a shotgun?
Yes.
Okay.
Angler.
Not my problem. That's just not my problem.
Who's your puzzle?
That's just not my problem.
Who's your puzzle?
No one's my problem. You are my problem. Dad, get out of here.
I thought your Ogre.
Oh, Ogre's my dad.
Then why did you say get out, Dad? I'm confused.
Red light, green light's my relative.
So, sibling?
Guys, do you want to go meet my wife?
Yes, I think she's a great lady. Totally. She
Good.
totally doesn't kill everybody. Let's go in!
What? Oh, frick no.
Let's go in. Oh, heck no.
That's my wife, bro. That's my wife. Be kind to her.
Well,
That's
that
my wife.
sounds so creepy. Is this a jail cell? No. No.
No, this is my
Yeah.
house. Bro, this is my
Okay.
house. Don't judge it. We have a key that we never use. And we try to store it. Don't mind her. She likes keeping stuff like keys and bombs and
What?
my
What
wife
about the
is
eye
kind of weird.
thingy?
She likes keeping keys and like bombs.
What about the eyes?
Oh, the eyes?
Yes, the
Oh,
eyeball.
frick.
He's only distracted from me. That's it.
Bro, who's willing to move? He's stuck.
Yo,
You have
I
to
think-
move.
Your dad's over there. And your mom's right there, your dad's over there. The ugly thing is right there.
That's my mom right there.
Hi.
Let me shoot my mom real quick. My mom didn't like that.
Yeah, she can turn up.
Hold up, let me get ready to shoot my dad. Hi, Dad. Sorry, Dad, but you gotta go, Dad. Relative, would you stop walking, please, relative?
Hang on.
There's my relative for you.
Did I turn? Oh my God, I'm playing around with him.
You are playing around with my relative, and I wouldn't. Now, relative, you don't deserve to stay alive. Now, let's go say hi to my wife, okay? Don't be afraid. My wife is very pretty.
She's scary. I don't like that music. I do not like that music.
Oh, yep. Yep, let's leave. Let's leave.
Can we get out of here?
Where are you?
I'm already back at the normal forest.
Wait, I have a question. Jan is in the forest and runs over here. Me, where are you?
I'm going up to the secret couch on a mountain. Good morning. my problem. 'Cause you're just not my problem. Never mind, the couch disappeared. I'm going back to spawn.
We have to kill the chicken.
I already did kill the chicken.
I have. Are you?
I'm basically at spawn. Okay.
There's a little truck by.
I'm back. I need a shotgun. I don't have it unlocked. I'm so close at it. I just need 12 more research points, and then I will unlock it.
Sorry, bro. I'm trying to find something to evacuate from my stash right now. Yeah, bro. I kind of have to do this. I mean, it's called Nut Shredder, so I might have to shred your.
You good?
No, I'm not good.
I just made a tower of things.
You know what? I really don't need this. I could get some money using this. Yo, do you want about like $10K?
Yes.
Okay.
Should I just kill everything back and forth
No.
until
But-
our headset
Yeah,
dies?
guys, thanks for watching. We kind of lost our group there, but tell us in the comments of monsters that we missed. We cut out
And
a lot of it.
subscribe.
We cut out yes, subscribe. I know
You
this
might
will
get
probably
something.
never happen, but my goal is to get 1 million subscribers. Let's see if y'all can do that, huh?